Want to go viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube? Don't hesitate, because the niche I'm about to unveil is still wide open for the taking. We're diving into football stories, but not the usual clips flooding everyone's feeds. Brace yourself for a game-changing approach. This channel, with millions of subscribers on YouTube and 500,000 followers on TikTok, proves the potential hidden within this niche. And the best part? You don't need pro-level skills to get started. Today, we're diving into the world of football stories and teaching you how to craft them into captivating videos, using the power of AI step by step. Let me share a sneak peek at what's possible.
You won't believe what happened to Messi and Ronaldo. Fans like iShowSpeed went all the way there to see Messi and Ronaldo play against each other.
Now let me show you how to make these. Head over to Google and search for ChatGPT, then create and log in with an account. Once inside, tell ChatGPT to write a story for you, which you can use as a script for your video. Yes, don't worry, you can find it in the description. Wait patiently for ChatGPT to provide you with a story. Feel free to customize the story to your liking. I suggest this because ChatGPT's output can be unpredictable at times, or you can simply tell it to rewrite another one. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me 2 more scripts. Once you have your script, we will need to use a text-to-speech AI. With our script in hand, it's time to give it life through a voiceover. To achieve this, we'll utilize 11 Labs. It gives you 10,000 characters, free to convert into voice. Start by typing 11 Labs into your Google search bar and navigate to the first page that appears. If you're new to the platform, simply follow the straightforward sign-up process. For those already registered, click on the Login button, then head to the Speech Synthesis tab, where the enchantment unfolds. Here you can select your preferred voice. I personally lean towards the pre-made Adam for its appealing sound, but feel free to choose the one that suits your preference. Adjust voice settings as desired, then hit the Generate button and witness the magic unfold. Once satisfied with the voiceover, download the audio file for incorporation into your football video. Next, we will need pictures for the video. For that, there are 2 methods. The first method is to download images from Google. Make sure to select pictures that relate to your video. For example, my script is about who is the GOAT of football, so I am searching for Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. Double check on quality. Don't download low-resolution images. The second method is to create visuals using AI image generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Ideogram. Midjourney is paid, but don't worry, you can use Leonardo.ai and Ideogram for free. For this video, I'll use the first method, but you can choose as your preference. If you want to use the second method, you can watch these videos, where you can learn step by step how to create AI-generated visuals for your videos. You can check out the link in the description. So, after downloading images from Google, our next step is video editing. For that, we will be using CapCut, because it is free and professional. Now open CapCut and import all the media that you have already downloaded. Next, import the voiceover we made using 11 Labs, followed by the pictures. Then adjust the ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Arrange the images to match and sync with the voiceover. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it attractive. Make sure to only keep the images for no longer than 5 seconds. This is important because now everyone has a short attention span. Once the images look synced, make sure they fully fit the screen. Click on the transition option and drag any transition between the images for a smooth flow. Now there is this small edit that is not noticeable in the video, but let me show you. As you can see, the video has a slow zoom effect. To do this to your images, simply click on the images and select the checkbox to add a keyframe. Make sure the key starts from the beginning of the image. Then go ahead and create another keyframe, but this time zoom in a bit into the image. Then drag the keyframe to the end. As you can see, the image is slowly being zoomed in. This gives a gradual zoom effect. Repeat for the other clips. It takes time, but is worth it. The next 2 steps are completely optional, but I recommend playing around with the effects and sound effects to improve video quality. Now we have to create subtitles for the videos. We can use CapCut to create these subtitles. So first, click on text on the top left and go to Auto Captions. Make sure the language is English, then click Generate. Wait until CapCut does its magic. Once it's done generating, customize the font to your liking, for example, by changing the font and size. Make sure to set the position to 0 and 0 to make sure the text is in the middle. I like to give it a glow effect as well. Then go to Animations and select the Bounce Out animation under Captions. Once ready, go watch the video over again to see if it's up to standard, and then click on Export to download.
The title of the greatest of all time, GOAT in football, is highly subjective and often debated among fans, players, and pundits. Some of the most commonly mentioned players in this discussion include Pelé, Diego Maradona, Lionel Messi, and Cristiano Ronaldo.
That's it! You've just crafted a captivating football story video using the power of AI. Remember, this is just the beginning. Experiment with different AI tools, storytelling styles, and visuals to find your unique voice and captivate your audience. With dedication and practice, you can unlock the immense potential of this niche and build a thriving community on TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. You can also comment as I do my best to reply to every comment. Catch you all later. So, step onto the pitch, embrace the power of AI, and unleash your inner football storyteller. The world is waiting for your next viral hit.